Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace your camshaft solenoid for the exhaust side. There are two of them, the intake and the exhaust. On that one I'm only replacing the exhaust side. So let's start by removing our intake air duct. It is aired by 8mm, and loosen them up and remove that PCV hose, and let's take the engine cover off. Put our oil cap back on. It is the exhaust side of the intake solenoid, on the exhaust solenoid, and the other one is the intake. So we're gonna pick up on that gray tab and unplug it, and we're gonna remove this 10mm bolt. There it is. Sometimes they're hard to remove. You can use the plier to wiggle it in until it comes out. Make sure you have a rag ready. I'm putting the new one in. This specific one came for a P0013 and P0014, and I'm plugging it back in, and that's it, guys. Pretty easy. You can do this in about 5 minutes in your driveway with basic tools. You can just clear code and go for a test drive. And another thing, to make sure you have the right oil amount in your engine. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.